Welcome to Smart AI World. Today, we are exploring one of the most powerful AI tools in the world, ChatGPT, and specifically, how it can help students study smarter, save hours of time, and boost productivity. Whether you're in high school, college, or learning online, ChatGPT can act as your tutor, your research assistant, your writing coach, and even your productivity partner. In this video, we'll cover how ChatGPT explains tough subjects, how to use it for essay writing and assignments, how it helps with research and summaries, productivity hacks for students, and advanced tips to get the most out of ChatGPT. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro. Let's start with the most obvious use, ChatGPT as your personal tutor. Imagine you're struggling with a subject, say biology or physics. Instead of searching dozens of websites, you can simply ask ChatGPT, explain photosynthesis in simple words, or teach me Newton's 3 laws with real-life examples. What makes ChatGPT powerful is that you can customize the difficulty level. For example, ask it to explain in simple language for a 10-year-old, or in advanced detail for a college exam. This flexibility means ChatGPT adapts to you, unlike a one-size-fits-all textbook. You can even ask it to quiz you with practice questions. For instance, give me 5 multiple-choice questions on World War II with answers. And instantly, you have a self-test tool. Now let's move into writing assignments and essays, one of the biggest challenges for students. ChatGPT can help brainstorm essay ideas, outline your paper in a clear structure, suggest introductions and conclusions, and even refine your grammar and tone. For example, if you're given a topic like the impact of technology on education, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a thesis statement, suggest 3 to 4 main arguments, provide supporting examples. But here's the key: don't copy and paste Chat's answers. Instead, use them as a foundation. Add your own voice, personal insights, and research. This way, you avoid plagiarism while still saving time. Research is often overwhelming, but ChatGPT can simplify it. You can ask, summarize the causes of the French Revolution in 200 words. Explain the key differences between capitalism and socialism. It won't give you academic citations like Google Scholar, but it provides a clear summary. Then, you can use those insights as a starting point for deeper research. Pro tip: if you ask ChatGPT to provide an outline with subtopics for your research paper, it saves you hours of planning. ChatGPT isn't just for studying, it can make you more productive. Here's how. Create daily study schedules. Example: make me a 2-week study plan for my math exam, with 3 hours a day. Generate to-do lists and reminders. Summarize long notes into key bullet points. Even help write polite emails to teachers and professors. This turns ChatGPT into your personal productivity coach. Students also use ChatGPT for creative learning, practicing language learning. Ask, have a Spanish conversation with me. Writing practice stories or poems for assignments. Role-playing historical figures for history lessons. It keeps studying fun and interactive, instead of boring. Here are some pro tips to use ChatGPT like a master. 1. Be specific. Instead of saying help me with math, say, solve this quadratic equation step by step. 2. Use prompts. Example, act as my teacher and quiz me on world geography. 3. Break tasks down. Don't ask for a 10-page essay at once. Ask for an outline first, then expand section by section. 4. Check accuracy. Always verify facts with textbooks or trusted sources. ChatGPT is smart, but not perfect. If you follow these tips, ChatGPT becomes not just a helper, but a true study partner. So, can ChatGPT help students? The answer is a big way yes. It can explain tough concepts, save time on assignments, boost productivity, and even make studying fun. But remember, ChatGPT is a tool. The real power comes when you combine it with your own effort, creativity, and critical thinking. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart AI World for more AI tools, student hacks, and future tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.